TutorMe Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. TutorMe is an online tutoring platform, but most people get this wrong by assuming it only provides basic homework help. The surprising truth is TutorMe offers on-demand tutoring across subjects with professional tutors, personalized lesson plans, and progress tracking, all in one platform. Pricing is flexible. Pay-as-you-go sessions start around per minute, while monthly subscriptions range from to depending on the level of access and session time. You won't believe the range of tutors available. Certified professionals, subject matter experts, and test prep specialists are all on the platform, ensuring quality guidance for students of any level. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on cost per minute. The real value comes from access to expert tutors anytime, instant help with difficult concepts, and structured learning that improves grades over time. Many users report significant improvement in understanding subjects and test performance after consistent use. In conclusion, TutorMe pricing is transparent and flexible. By understanding subscription options, session costs, and tutor qualifications, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether the platform delivers value for your educational goals. It's more than tutoring, it's a personalized learning experience.